Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 Smart View not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down. Now here click on smart things. Now go to the storage of smart things and then clear the cache memory of smart things. And after that go back to settings and here click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.